Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Very close to the town of Mandeville, you will find the quiet yet accessible area of Kendal, which has its own police station and schools nearby. Here is a 5-bedroom and 3-bathroom house for sale. The house is relatively new with just a few minor finishing touches to be added. On the street level, there is a 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, living and dining room, kitchen and laundry room. There is an income earning second level consisting of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, veranda, laundry room, pantry, and storage area. Priced attractively, it is ready to go. The land area of this house is approximately 10,990 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 25 million or US $162.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.